I will be moving away from this apartment. I came to this apartment 7 years ago, and in that 7 years I have done a lot of things here. See a bunch of cables and these panels here. It was a quite nice setup. When I did some experiments here, I could look at the power meters and see how much power it was consuming. And now all of this will go away. It was a lot of work to make these panels. And we got some LEDs there. That took like a month to do. So all of that will be gone. And these electrical cabinets here will be gone as well. Yes, I turned off the UPS, so now I can't really turn on the lights in here. But yes, it's working, but it doesn't got any emergency power anymore. The UPS won't even start up. So yes, this will be removed. These are some tests I have made on the emergency system. Yes. This variac will be removed. All of this electrical equipment. The battery box. There was 4 big lead acid batteries in there. They are gone. I even got some 48-volt battery inside this box here, or a cabinet. Those are removed as well. If you come here and have a look, this is a tube amplifier. We got the music box here, the 19-inch racks. And we got this UPS, which is a 48-volt one. This will all be removed. Computer. We got this thing here with all the sockets. And it's and a lot of cables. They're going to these 2 big electrical cabinets here. And yes, this is built in a wardrobe. I will rebuild this, and not in a wardrobe. This will be in a proper electrical cabinet this time. Yes, a bit messy. What would you expect? I maybe showed you that you can actually play music, and these LEDs will be blinking at the same beats as the music does. It goes all around the apartment. In the living room, of course. And back here it goes around and ends up there. Let's play some classical music. And turning on the surround system. This will be one of the last times I will see these LEDs blinking like this. You can even see it on the panel here. You can actually force these LEDs to turn on permanently. You can see here. Can control with this potentiometer how sensitive they are. Can lower the sensitivity and increase the sensitivity or decrease it. So yes, it was a pretty interesting setup. Didn't use it so much. Good thing that I don't get any copyright strikes on this music. Yes, let's turn it off again. And this big thing here is a project I made, which ended up half done. It's a electric electric scooter, but a bigger one. There's the control panel on the front here, 2 motor drive, differential speed steering. Yes, I will try to get it working in the next place I will be moving to. And this was a transformer which has the 3 potential transformers in it. They're all removed. The insulators on the top are removed as well. This is just an empty shell now. I made a couple of videos on this one. Here's some more electric scooters. There's another electric scooter in the shed. But yes, all of these will be gone. Many years of work.